Today we are blasting through the WHO NTB strategy so you can recall it in under 6 minutes when it truly matters for your exams and practice. TB को खत्म करना है. How exactly? If an exam asks about the pillars, specific targets, or India's comprehensive plan, you will confidently crush it after this detailed explanation. Despite global efforts, tuberculosis remains the top infectious killer in many regions, posing a significant public health challenge. The NTB strategy serves as the global blueprint for eradication efforts until 2035, and India's National TB Elimination Program, or NTEP, aligns tightly with its objectives. Understanding these strategies is crucial, as they are frequent favorites for SUCS and Viva examinations, making this information highly valuable. The WHO NTB strategy, active from 2016 to 2035, is a comprehensive plan designed to dramatically cut the global TB burden through 3 main pillars and clear milestones. This strategy builds upon previous initiatives like DOTS and the Stop TB strategy, but introduces stronger patient-centered care, policy reforms, and intensified research. The 3 foundational pillars of the NTB strategy can be easily remembered using the mnemonic PBR, which you can think of as PCR. The first pillar, P, stands for Integrated, Patient-Centered Care and Prevention, focusing on a holistic approach to patient management. This involves early diagnosis for all individuals, including targeted screening of high-risk groups and universal drug susceptibility testing to guide treatment. Rapid molecular tests, such as C.B.Na or TrueNAT, are crucial for quick and accurate diagnosis, ensuring timely intervention. Appropriate treatment for both drug-susceptible and drug-resistant TB includes shorter, all-oral regimens and newer drugs like bedaquiline or delamanid, as per national guidelines. Furthermore, TB-HIV collaborative care, comprehensive comorbidity management for conditions like diabetes and undernutrition, are integral components. TB preventive therapy, or TPT, is vital for contacts and other high-risk groups to prevent disease progression and spread. Infection prevention and control measures, including airborne precautions in health facilities and promoting cough hygiene, are paramount. Finally, robust social support systems are essential to improve treatment adherence and significantly reduce catastrophic costs for affected families. The second pillar, B, represents bold policies and supportive systems, emphasizing strong governance and infrastructure. This pillar highlights mandatory notification of TB cases, along with effective regulation and engagement of the private healthcare sector. Social protection and patient support, such as India's Nikshay Poshan Yojana providing 1,000 rupees per month, are crucial for nutritional aid. Community support through initiatives like the PM TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan and Nikshay Mitra also falls under this vital pillar. Establishing robust legal and financial frameworks, ensuring universal health coverage linkages, and maintaining strong surveillance systems like Nikshay are vital. The third pillar, R, signifies intensified research and innovation, driving progress in TB control. This pillar calls for the development of better, faster, and more decentralized diagnostics to improve access and efficiency. It also focuses on discovering new drugs, regimens, and vaccines, with promising candidates like M72as01E currently under study. Operational research is absolutely crucial to adapt these innovative solutions locally, ensuring their effectiveness in diverse community settings. Now, let's delve into the specific targets and milestones, a make-or-break area that is frequently tested in examinations. By 2035, compared to the 2015 baseline, the ambitious goals are a 95% reduction in TB deaths and a 90% reduction in TB incidence. This means reducing incidence to less than 10 cases per 100,000 people per year, with the ultimate aim of achieving zero catastrophic costs for TB-affected families. Key milestones include a 35% reduction in deaths and 20% in incidence by 2020, alongside the critical achievement of zero catastrophic costs. By 2025, the strategy aims for a substantial 75% reduction in deaths and a 50% reduction in incidence. And by 2030, we target an impressive 90% reduction in deaths and an 80% reduction in incidence globally. Remember the mnemonic 35-20-0 for 2020, 75-50 for 2025, 90-80 for 2030, and 95-90 for 2035, representing deaths and incidence reductions. Examiners frequently love to ask how India specifically aligns with this crucial global strategy for TB elimination. India's aspirational vision is TB elimination by 2025, a full 5 years ahead of the Global Sustainable Development Goal target. This ambitious goal is operationalized through the National TB Elimination Program, or NTEP, via the National Strategic Plan 2017 to 2025 and subsequent updates. Key actions in India include universal DST at baseline and upfront rapid molecular tests like C.B.NA or TrueNAT for accurate diagnosis. All oral, shorter regimens for drug-resistant TB are now standard programmatic norms across the country. Private sector engagement, encompassing mandatory notification, adherence to standards of care, and provision of free drugs, is a high priority. The Nikshay ecosystem provides robust case-based surveillance and facilitates the Nikshay Poshan Yojana for direct benefit transfer, linking Aadhaar and bank accounts. Active case finding in high-risk populations, meticulous contact tracing, and the scale-up of TPT are crucial preventive measures. Airborne infection control checklists in facilities, coupled with effective triage, ventilation, and fast tracking of coffers, are rigorously implemented. A comprehensive multisectoral response, including vital nutrition support, social protection, and community participation through the Nikshay Mitra initiative, strengthens the overall effort. The program was thoughtfully renamed from RNTCP to NTEP to better reflect its comprehensive, patient-centered approach to TB elimination. To quickly recap, the NTB strategy is built on the PCR pillars and sets clear milestones and targets extending to 2035. India aims for TB elimination by 2025 via NTEP, focusing on universal DST, rapid tests, and all-oral DRTB regimens. Key initiatives include ACF-TPT, the Nikshay and DBT system, robust private sector engagement, and strong community support. Remember the targets ladder and India's ambitious 2025 push. Mastering these points will fetch you easy marks in your exams. You've got this. TB questions are high yield because the answers are crisp, structured, and directly applicable to public health. Repeat the PCR Plus ladder mnemonic twice this week, ensuring you ace your upcoming assessments. If you found this episode helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more high-yield made school content.